Hello students. So today we are the fifth part of the corrosion and its prevention, that particular topic, and I am your teacher Sudipta Nath. So as we have discussed two different types of corrosion in the previous videos, so this is the third type, which is called as cavitation corrosion. Now if you have studied the fluid mechanics, in that particular thing, you know very well that what is cavitation. So it is actually, what exactly is cavitation corrosion? So protective films are removed from the metal surface during the fluid flow. That is very obvious. So low pressure development due to discontinuity in flow path, and it causes vapor bubbles to form in fluid stream. And due to collapsing of these bubbles, the shock wave produces and removes the protective films from the metal surface, which creates some type of corrosion, which is very common in case of different types of turbine vanes or turbine blades. And in reaction turbine, specifically Francis turbine and Kaplan turbine, within the draft tube, where low pressure region and high pressure regions are developed, this type of cavitation corrosion is very common. Now, how to control the cavitation corrosion? So careful material selection, like high alloy steel containing nickel, chromium, tungsten, etc., they should be adequately present within the steel structure. Number two is use of the soft rubber coating on that particular vanes or blades, which will absorb the cavitation energy. And thirdly, smooth surface finish. If the surface finish is not smooth, then obviously the effect of cavitation will be very high, because when the vapor bubbles will burst and it will remove the top layer or a very small tiny layer at the top of that particular alloy surface, it creates the propagation of further cavitation corrosion. And in the figure you can see that what type of corrosion it takes place, it creates on that particular vanes. Note one thing, that the type of corrosion is more towards the hub, that is towards center, and the effect is less towards the edges. So this is the property of the cavitation corrosion for pump impeller. Number 4, or the fourth type of corrosion, is hydrogen embrittlement. Now hydrogen, when it is present within a particular metallic material, it is a very common phenomena that it makes that particular structure of that material, metallic material, to be very brittle. Hydrogen blisters results from hydrogen atoms, and it formed during sulfide corrosion process on steel. So hydrogen atom combine to form hydrogen molecule, and obviously after that there is a chemical reaction that occurs and creates that ferrosopheric oxide, that is Fe3O4, and it releases free hydrogen. This free hydrogen, over here we can see the mechanism, it actually emits some amount of electron, and that electron further propagates, helps to propagate the further corrosion of that particular process. So this is how the hydrogen blistering occur in case of particular metallic surface. Okay. So these two are two special types of corrosion, number 3 and number 4, which we have seen. For further information and knowledge, stay tuned for the next video, that is video number 6. We will be discussing some other types of corrosion. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.